What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I have another exciting video for you guys about shipping supplies. Last week I did a video on boxes. Today's video is going to be about bubble wrap. I know it doesn't sound too exciting, but it's, a very exciting part of what you need to be able to ship everything out from your eBay store when you're selling all these car parts online. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are smaller on eBay just like me. You don't work out of a big warehouse and have an endless supply of supplies. So just like the boxes that I get for free from work, I take all the bubble wrap home also. This saves me from ever buying bubble wrap or anything to package up items. In the 10 plus years I have been doing this as a side project, I have never once bought a piece of bubble wrap, and I've shipped out hundreds of items. If you guys are buying supplies, I am almost positive that there are some companies around you where you could be taking all this stuff home for free. Most businesses are just throwing this stuff out just like mine would be. So I take it home, I save it. I might have a little bit too much at my house right now, but I save it because I know that someday I'll need it and I will use it. And if it keeps me from spending my profits on supplies, then that's only a better thing. So basically what I have here are 4 Contractor trash bags that are just full of bubble wrap. I have maybe about 8 to 10 more of these bags around my house and in my attic. Like I said, it's free, and if I keep it, I know I'll have it for a while. Unfortunately, I haven't found a better way to store this. I just put it in bags and then I just put them around my house where I can store it. It's not like you can really roll it back up because everything is individual pieces and there's a lot of different kinds. Personally, my favorite kind of bubble wrap is the regular old school type of bubble wrap. It just works the best in the packages and it's easy to get your hands on some of it, and it does a really good job. So this is my favorite. There's this newer type of bubble wrap like this. This stuff's not bad. There's actually spots in here where it's perforated so you can tear off little sections. The only problem with this kind is that these are all connected. So if you pop one right here, the rest of the line goes out. It's not like these where they're individual bubbles. So this stuff is good, but it's not my favorite to protect the packages. I do take some of this foam home also. This is good for some smaller packages where the bubble wrap's too big and it's something that's not really easily broken. If you fold this up enough, it does a good job, but if you were going to ship out a headlight, you would need a whole lot of this to fill the box to make it really good. So I do take some of this home, but I don't take a lot of it because I like the bubble wrap better. In this bag, we have the smaller type of bubble wrap. This is all right, but once again, it takes a lot of this to fill up a lot of voids, whereas the bigger bubble wrap does a better job. So I do have this for smaller packages also, and it's free, so I might as well take some of it home also. It works good, but like I said, it's still not as good as the bigger bubble wrap. This stuff right here I usually don't care for. I don't usually take too much home. I find this stuff kind of hard to place in a box or try to wrap a part inside of it to protect it. So this stuff's kind of a little bit of extra stuff I might have on hand to use every once in a while, but I usually don't bother too much with this kind. I'm sure you guys have seen some of the expanded foam stuff like this. This is from a headlight that was shipped to me. I've never worked with this stuff and used it for myself. I can't say I've ever looked into the price of it, but I feel like this would be pretty expensive to buy for every part you want to ship out. You guys might have some answers for me if you use this packaging, but I've never used it for myself. I've only seen it used for stuff that's been shipped to me. Maybe it's a little bit cost effective, but the whole point is that I'm getting all of this other bubble wrap for free, so why should I spend some money on this? This stuff, if it's done correctly, really holds your parts in a box perfectly, but I've seen plenty of parts come into my work. The corner of the part is sticking out of the cushion and it could easily get damaged. So I don't know if any of you guys use this stuff, buy this stuff and use it, but I do not. So that's just a quick rundown of some of the packing supplies that I use. Like I said, I got 4 bags right here. I got 2 behind me, and I got a bunch of others in my attic and elsewhere in my garage because you can never have too much supplies. So like I said, it's a very exciting video about bubble wrap and packaging supplies. I figured because of the video I did last week on boxes, I would do this week's video on bubble wrap. So as you can see, that's what I do. I get it all for free. There's plenty of companies out there that are just throwing this stuff away. I'm sure you know somebody that works somewhere that can either get it for you or save it for you if you guys are not already doing that. So just like with the boxes, I keep a lot of this stuff on hand because if I sell something, I know I have the box that it fits in and I know that I have plenty of bubble wrap to wrap it up with and ship it out in. So that's about it. I hope that this, was a good video for you guys. If you have any other questions about what else I use or how else I package and ship things out, just let me know. I'm hoping I can help you guys out that are doing this as a side hustle just like me. So if there are any other questions, just let me know. If you guys want to learn more, just subscribe. I'm going to keep doing all these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.